Welcome to Sarajevo International Airport, the main gateway to Bosnia and Herzegovina. Officially opened in 1969, this airport has grown from a regional hub into a modern facility that welcomes millions of passengers, connecting the heart of the Balkans to the world. Your first encounter with the airport is its single, efficient terminal. As you disembark, you'll make your way to the arrivals hall. The airport has recently undergone renovations to improve passenger flow, making your journey from the plane smooth and straightforward. Your next stop is the passport control area. Here, they will check your passport or visa for entry. For those requiring special assistance, the airport offers services for passengers with reduced mobility. After passport control, you get to the baggage claim area, where you collect your bags, and then proceed through the customs check. If you have something to declare, then talk to the customs officer. Else, just go through, although sometimes they may call passengers for a random check. With the formalities complete, you're out of the secure area and are officially in Bosnia. This is where your party will be waiting for you. In this area, you will find services such as currency exchange, SIM cards, travel services, and even a convenience store. You also have several transportation options right outside the terminal. Taxis are readily available at the official taxi rank, offering a convenient door-to-door service. A ride to the city center takes about 15 to 20 minutes and costs approximately 20 euros. For a more budget-friendly choice, the public bus service, including the 31 E line, provides a reliable connection to the city center. If you prefer to explore at your own pace, you'll find car rental agencies located past the taxi stand in the center of the parking lot. From its rich history to its modern facilities, Sarajevo International Airport is your starting point for discovering the vibrant culture and stunning landscapes of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Enjoy your stay. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.